Saw a seagull screech out at sea, wondering if it told me how it felt and where it goes, who he was and what he knows, what he saw that never shows from the shore at sea. There's a light above on the spot of faces, the glow and grim in his eyes, towering water far from the shore and stormy long nights, and lights reflecting the surface, floating the calm and think yourself safe, making me nervous, dangerous silence keeping you safe, making me nervous, dangerous silence keeping you safe. As it flies, the blue will turn to grey, stumbles back and forth with wave after wave. Silence stays after the storm, shiver till it starts to calm. Through the ruins that you saw, further from the shore, there's a light above on the spot of faces, the glow and grim in his eyes, towering water far from the shore and stormy long nights, and lights reflecting the surface, floating the calm and think yourself safe, making me nervous, dangerous silence keeping you safe, making me nervous, dangerous silence keeping you safe. Light above on the spot of faces, the glow and grim in his eyes, towering water far from the shore and stormy long nights, and lights reflecting the surface, floating the calm and think yourself safe, making me nervous, dangerous silence keeping you safe, making me nervous, dangerous silence keeping you safe, making me nervous, dangerous silence.